This is a used 2009 Ford Escape, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ed Sherling Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 805 Glover Avenue, Enterprise, Alabama 36330.